Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Hdfc Credit Card. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. To log into your Hdfc Credit Card, first open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.hdfcbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of HDFC Bank, which looks like this. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see this pop up. Choose credit card option from the display and click the login button appearing right beneath Credit Card Portal. Now click on Continue to Credit Card Portal link on the next page. In the login area, go ahead and enter your login ID followed by your password. Start off by typing in your login ID and now head over to the password field and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your user ID, click on Forgot User ID and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for it. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password, click on Forgot Your Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After entering your credentials, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Hdfc credit card right away without delay. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.